Welcome back to Optimize Health, where we're making easy, healthy, and delicious meals. Today we are going to show you guys a nice trick that we use for our immune boosting recipes, especially in the winter and this time of year. We're doing kale, mushrooms. You're gonna see down in there some zucchini, tomato, and we are going to add, we've chosen beef because of the benefits, the healing benefits that beef can have for just healing our gut and being a really good source of our complete amino acid. You should talk to your doctor, healthcare provider, or veterinarian to see if any of these recipes, suggestions, or contents of these videos are right for you. Nothing contained in these videos are intended to be taken as medical advice. Use at your own risk. Profile, we're gonna add an egg, and this is gonna cook up really nicely with that extra fat that we get from the egg, because typically it's hard to find like a ground beef that's full fat these days, but this egg is going to provide us with additional fat, essential fatty acids that are going to help with like vitamin A and E. It's going to help us absorb other vitamins and minerals from the meal. So it's a nice addition, and we thought we'd just share that tip with you. I hope you guys will check out this recipe. It's something that you can season up in a number of different ways. You could do like an Italian seasoning. You could do a more of like a something cheese based, or you could do even like taco seasoning. We use a lot because it's so easy. Chili seasoning, maybe slightly different, but also a good choice. So let us know what you think, and please send in some requests for different recipes that we can make to try to make a little bit healthier for you. And please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.